Here at Lloyd Approved Cars Kelso, we are pleased to present this KIA SPORTAGE 1.7 CRDi ISG 3, finished in Fusion White premium paint, with 19-inch diamond turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include automatic headlamps, front fog lights, power folding door mirrors, sliding panoramic roof, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we enter now beneath the tailgate, you can see the load space with the rear folding seats and the parcel shelf. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the panoramic roof from the inside and the black leather seats, which have ISOFIX child seat mounts and the second row climate vents on the centre console. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we have the heated front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the cruise control, the gauge cluster with the trip computer, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we have satellite navigation as well as DAB radio, and the rear camera display. On the centre console we have 2-zone climate control with the heated seat buttons, USB socket, and the 6-speed manual gear stick. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.